A simple pendulum is constructed by hanging a heavy ball by a 5-meter long string. It undergoes small oscillations. How many oscillations does it make per second? What will be the frequency if the system is taken on the moon, where acceleration due to gravitation of moon is 1.67 meter per second square? Pendulum is hanging by a string of length 5.0 meter. Oscillation per second is frequency, and frequency का फॉर्मूला होता है 1/2 पाई G by L का अंडर रूट, और 1/2 पाई G is 9.8 and L is 5 meter. 1.2 pi into 1.96 under root 1.4 by 2 pi, or 0.7 by pi oscillations per second. B part, G converts in G dash of moon. Frequency is 1/2 pi, अगर इसके म्यू वन माने, G by L, G dash by L. 1/2 pi, G dash is 1.67 and L is 5 meter. One upon 2 pi under root 1 by 3. So frequency is 1/2 pi root 3 hertz.